Alright guys, we came over to look at the 73. AP got the motor running, so he took the wheels off. He got some 26-inch RTs. He took them off, but he got it running. It's running good, AP?
Timing off a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Taking the seats and stuff out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting rid of them seats. I'm gonna drop the back seat off.
Yeah.
And
let us hear it real quick.
I talked to the boy at the paint shop. Yeah, come on by.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
He said he gonna go ahead and do it?
Shit, I gotta do it.
Well, you gotta do all the sanding. Yeah. Well, y'all see it, guys. It's gonna be coming back to the channel. She running. Heck yeah.
Cover over.
Yeah, now you see why I got all my cars covered.
I should have put a cover.
Yeah, you gotta cover these cars up, man. Even with
probably got that top.
Even with good paint, you still gotta cover them. Yeah. When you leave them sitting, you know, you ain't washing it all the time, waxing and all that. Yeah, it's hard on that paint. Especially where we live. We live in Texas, man, so.
What's been up to?
We just left a car show. Yeah. But I had to work today, so we went when I got off.
Oh, right there?
Yeah. At the
I passed by the library.
Yeah, library.
They had some stuff out there though.
Oh yeah.
The best around here was a 75.
Yeah.
You see it 75 stuff? This got a 75 drop. It's
low rider.
Low rider.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they had a red one up there at the show. Well, I'll let you do what you gonna do. You finna go to the store? Let's start it up.
What am I finna do? Get that timing right, man. So don't get that whoop, you know.
Yeah. Oh shoot. It still fire up pretty good.
Yeah, but you want that timing.
Yeah, the timing off a little bit.
This side cleaned up good.
Heck yeah, it did.
I ain't goddamn I'm gonna miss them panels and shit, dog. I think I'm just gonna get the seat.
You're right. Yeah. Yeah. It sound good. Heck yeah. Keep purring. Man, I called you that day, man, the El Camino, it went dead. Yeah, we got it back going though. I put some of that 91 octane in there trying to get that old gas out.
Okay.
And I think that old gas finally hit that carburetor and it turned it off.
I had some old gas. This one, I had that run.
Yeah, you gotta get that old gas out. All right, guys, this is gonna be a short video. I was just showing y'all the 73 real quick. She gonna be back in action, don't worry. He already got the new wheels. He gonna repaint it. He just dropped the motor in there. So we'll show y'all all that stuff. Nah, we're gonna have to add this in there.
Add that one in there, boy.
Yeah. It sound good though. Yeah.
Is that on the headers or the?
Sound like that on the headers.
On that damn
Oh, okay. Yeah, it kind of sputtered a little bit.
Man, other night, man, this bitch was getting it.
Man.
What it's doing now?
Yeah.
We never went this fast.
Nah.
seats sit up high in these cars, man.
Yeah, you go to the roof. Oh man. The brakes pretty good. Yeah.
One of my gaskets is different part.
Is it?
One of the gaskets on the headers.
Yeah.
One of them different. I think I need to go back. That was the red wide.
Yeah.
So I was gonna put them kind over on there.
Yeah.
Or if that little donut on the header. You think so?
Shoot, I put the same thing all the way across the board.
Stuttering.
Yeah. But it could be getting too much fuel when it's getting right there.
You know, you so right too, huh?
Yeah. It don't have to necessarily be the timing.
My homeboy say that the air and the time, the air,
Yeah.
and the fuel.
It all work together.
Yeah.
We in the hood, y'all. We done took Custom Instinct to the hood.
I'm at the house. What's up, man?
Come around that corner. What's up with y'all?
You changed that grill out?
Yeah, I put this grill
Well,
on
that
there.
bitch look good.
Yeah, I been at that grill on there.
I didn't know that. That bitch look good, that much grill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta put the hole in that damn thing. That motherfucker got a hole in it.
What's that?
That line back there, the aluminum
Oh,
for the air conditioner.
yeah.
Yeah, that aluminum, that thing rubbed against it and grab a little hole in it.
Oh, shit. You gotta change him out.
No, I got the hose right there. I'm gonna put a clamp on
Clamp on it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay.
What y'all doing? Feel me?
Yeah.
Did it be ready?
No. The timing off.
I thought you was gonna fix it.
I ain't gonna fuck with him.
That's a motherfucker clean right there.
I'm gonna take it to do something.
You do it?
Yeah. But it was running strong the other night, man. I don't know if I need to buy a new carburetor or get that timing.
But they missed it though.
No, it ain't missing it, but it ain't running hard at all. Like it was the other night. It was getting it.
Was it?
Yeah. It been getting it.
Well, you put some goddamn 15 liters for the 40.
Yeah.
Take the hood off.
You ain't lying up.
Shit, get up.
Oh.
Yeah, it's off a little bit though. Did you see that?
Where you think with?
Man, I mean, you got that timing gun?
Yep.
I mean, I ain't the best at that shit. I ain't
Ain't
gonna
a lot
lie.
of people ain't.
I thought we was gonna go through the fence.
For real.
They can't see shit from there.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds right.
Well, nigga, that time and everything set right.
No, the purple car. I'm in the blue car.
Big car.
Go ahead.
The mechanic yesterday said, shit, man. Tell when you pulled off, the time was off.
Yeah.
He said, I tell you, the time was off, man.
All right, guys. Woo! Hey! Cut it up! Cut it up! It ain't posi track yet. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. We'll see y'all in the next one.
That was a fun one, huh?
Yeah, that was fun.